What's up YouTube, it's Chouse and I'm back with another video. Today I'm sitting in my new Tesla Model Y. So I've only had this car for a little less than a week and I'm already starting to make some changes to it. The change that I'm focused on today is the center console. So as you can see, this center console comes in piano black, and although it can look really nice, it's really prone to fingerprints and dust. So in order for me to stop wiping it down like every 30 seconds when I get in the car, I decided to cover it with a wrap. And I found this one on Amazon. It's made by Top Fit and it's just a center console cover. And when I opened the box, the quality looked a lot better than I thought I was getting, so I decided to make a video on it. It's going in the box. It comes with 3 pieces. This piece covers up the cup holder, and I believe, yeah, this is that top piece, and that's where the cell phones go for wireless charging. And then the last piece is the center piece here. So here's one of the pieces here. This one goes over the top. And look at that, the fitment is really exact, and to the naked eye, once this is installed, you would most likely think this is OEM and not an aftermarket piece. And as you can see, the matte finish is fingerprint resistant and will hide dust and fingerprints much easier than this piano black. So let's go ahead and install these and see how it's going to look. So first thing I'm going to do is just wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. I've already wiped it down already, but just making sure I don't have any extra dust on it. Alright, so I got that first piece on and it looks good so far, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest on there. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am done putting the pieces on the center console, and it's super easy. Really the hardest part, honestly, is just peeling off the red tape off the 3M, but the pieces are really precise, and as you can see, it is pretty fingerprint resistant, and dust is a lot harder to see on here, and it matches the interior of the car as well, with the panels on the door and the dash being more of a matte black than that piano gloss black that we had before. So again, the name of this company is Top Fit. It's a car center console cover, and I'll leave a link in the description down below. I purchased it on Amazon and the price was $40. I think it is well worth the purchase if you're like me and you hate wiping down the console with that piano black, trying to get rid of your fingerprints and the dust all the time. So that is it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.